Tawagin siya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, taking good
Can-
care of it. Okay, very good. All right.
Can we ask you here?
You want to ask me a few questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If it's
Just
possible,
very
sir.
few.
It's very few, sir.
First, just
Huh?
Yeah, it's a church.
we can go inside or
Here, it's better here, sir.
It's okay to stand here.
Inside, outside.
It's up to you, sir. We don't want to be accused of obstructing the traffic.
Yeah, it's better here, sir. It's okay.
It's better here inside, sir.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, do you want to put this on?
Yeah, here. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let's not do it on
Yeah,
the
sila
Here.
mag-accept.
You want some coffee?
No.
No.
Perfect. Let us know, sir.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to interview you.
Yung mic.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a nice day. How are you, sir?
Good morning. Okay, so what questions do you have for me today?
How's PRD right now?
He's in very good spirits.
Thank you, sir. And do you have first question?
Sir, our first question, in relation to your statement before about accusations with respect to rejecting your proposals or whatnot, there has been a response that you were actually telling fake news because then they released a document with respect to your observations, sir. Do you have a comment in relation to that?
I made observations in response to a court order. I did not file a specific request asking to limit the participation of victims. The victims have a right to make their observations, and they will make their observations. Now, I'm not going to engage in fantasy litigation on the sidelines with Attorney Joe Butuan or anybody else.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Attorney Kaufman, under the principle of residual obligation, is the Philippines still legally required to cooperate with the ICC? This is the core argument of those critical of Mr. Duterte.
We'll be addressing that argument in the context of our jurisdictional challenge in due course.
Thank you, sir. And also, has the defense faced any political pressure from Philippine authorities or foreign actors that could compromise the fairness of the case?
I'm not aware of any pressure that's been placed on me or any members of my team.
Lastly, sir, the arrest warrant was first marked secret. As later made public, does the defense see this as a violation of Mr. Duterte's rights or due process?
Applications for arrest warrants at the ICC are always made secretly and confidentially, otherwise it would frustrate the whole purpose of an arrest warrant. Only later on are they made public. Everything that has happened in this case has been done according to the books and according to law. I have no argument that anything was done with regard to the publication of the arrest warrant in an inappropriate fashion. What I believe was inappropriate was the failure by the Philippines government to afford the former president his due rights under Philippines law and under the Philippines Constitution.
Sir, in relation to that, there are some certain public officials saying that it's already a done deal, saying that perhaps referring to the former president not being able to be brought back to the Philippines. What's your comment on that?
Well, I don't know what done deal they're talking about. As far as I'm concerned, I'm going to do everything possible to get him back to the Philippines as soon as possible.
Thank you so much for that, sir. Do you want to? Do you have a question, statement, sir, rather, to the Filipino people or those who are critical with respect to the process ongoing? With
The only comment I have, once again, is that the former president knows that the vast majority of his supporters wish him to be out,
yes.
wish him to be out as soon as possible. He sends his best wishes, and he's grateful for the support that he's been given.
Thank you so much, Attorney Kaufman.
Thank you.
Thank you
Have a
so
good
much.
day.
Mabuhay po kayo, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we're always praying for you. Thank you so much for your effort. If you want coffee, maybe we have coffee right
No,
now.
thanks.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Have
Thank
a
you
nice
so
day.
much,
Have
sir.
a great day.
Nice.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Stop filming now.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank you, sir. Sir, additional statement.
Oh, ayan na. Ay, ito pala. Sorry. Live pala. Live pala.
Live
ito.
tayo, sir.
Sige, hindi na ako mag-coffee. Ayan mga kababayan, narinig niyo po mismo kay attorney sa lead counsel na si Attorney Kaufman na yung sinasabi nila na fake news daw siya, hindi po yung totoo. Hindi po siya nagpalabas ng official statement or request with regards sa mga pinagsasabi ng iba dyan. Ang sinabi niya lang po is observation, and those observation actually were referred to kasi nga isang process daw din po yon na finalo niya. So again, it remains a big fat lie yung mga sinasabi nila na mga naratibo na binibigay ngayon sa ating mainstream media na binabalita about rejection of certain judges about whatever proposal where there is none or there was none. Mga kababayan, irespeto po natin ang proseso na ngayon ay ina-undergo mismo, binibigyan talaga ng halaga at pansin ng lead counsel mismo ni former President Duterte. Also po, narinig po ninyo ang sinabi niya with regards to literal failure of the government to accord our former president the due process that should be given to every Filipino citizen. Again, it is high time for us Filipinos, especially malapit na po ang eleksyon ngayon, to have and to form informed decision para iboto po natin ang mga taong karapat-dapat na nasa Senado, karapat-dapat na mag-represent ng kanilang mga constituents, karapat-dapat na i-forward ang karapatan ng mga kababayan natin, lalong-lalo na yung nasa laylayan. Mga kababayan, isipin po talaga natin na isa lang ang ating kapangyarihan bilang ordinary citizen, and that is to vote in the upcoming election. Vote straight PDP, laban po tayo, at meron pong mga certain party list, particular PPP, Duterte Youth Party List, Gabay 139 Party List. Makinig po tayo kung ano ang nangyayari ngayon sa ating bayan. Tingnan niyo po kung ano ang ginawa sa ating former president. If they can do that to the former president, what can they do to an ordinary citizen like us? Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Makinig po tayo kung anong katotohanan, hindi po sa mga naratibo ng ibang tao. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir. Yes po mga kapartner, yun po ang kaganapan ngayon dito sa tapat ng ICC Detention Facility dito sa Duterte Park. At yun nga, kausap natin ang legal counsel po ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, si Attorney Kaufman. At yun ang sagot niya sa lahat ng mga tinatanong natin sa mga oras na ito. At abangan natin ang susunod na kaganapan mga partner. Kaya sabi ni Attorney Kaufman, gusto niya sa lalong madaling panahon ay makauwi na ang ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa ating sariling bansang Pilipinas. Mula dito sa The Hague, Netherlands, ito si Anton Cero, ang inyong Global Citizen Correspondent, SMNI News.
Good morning.
Ayun po mga kababayan. Huwag na po tayo magdunong-dunungan.
Mag-hi ka.
O, ayan na.
Ay.
Huwag mong ianap yan. Huwag mo muna yan. O, huwag tayo magdunong-dunungan. O, tingnan nyo. O, maraming salamat po ate. Mabuhay po kayo. Thank you po. Dito na po dito. O. Dito at saka self-samat na apple card.
Huwag mo kalimutan yung slap kasi Paris, fair yan.
Ate, hello po, kababayan. Pasok po kayo.